boy was at American Dream today. Yeah, you ignore that. He's just not loaded in yet fully. So, yeah, I was at American Dream. I found like a little store. I picked up these little tchotchkes. Some, I guess all of the Transformer guys. You know, unbox them. First unbox, we got this guy. Pop cap piece. We got the little collectible thing. And we got the actual little guy here. It's pretty good packaging. Really easy to open. Then he comes with a little gun. Nice and little. Actual cars. Transform it. What I'm gonna try to get. Oh, there we go. I'm just gonna kind of fold it. Break that up. You guys can call this childish all you want if I was playing with Transformers right now. But you know what? I don't care. Kind of like put the legs up. Bring that out. Inside that goes. It goes around and just rinse and repeat. Or just do the opposite. Do this in reverse, I guess, to go back to Opal mode. Then he comes with this nice little gun here. Cool. That's Police Boy. Up next we got Megatron. Maybe like a little Megatron. Same little packaging we got. Like a normal. Pop this guy open. This one's the opens. Inside we do get a little gun. A little Megatron. And we repeat with what we did with Police Cowboy. Pop this out. Pop that out. Bring the left feet down. Little legs. Beefy legs. For copyright claim, I'm just going to call him Police Guy here. And then Ultra Robo. For this guy gets copyrights and stuff. So that's him. Last guy is Wasp.